All right, and begin.
So this door goes away, and at the entrance there is a tunnel right here. So where I am now will really be outside, and then right ahead of me is a glass wall with the door in it. So this is this kind of patio place. And then we go in the glass doors, and we're in the student lounge. And around the corner is a student kitchen. But these lights are the lights that are going to be in the grid.
Oh, okay.
So the grid gets higher. But here is the hallway that all the furniture will be dragged through until you.
But they're pretty wide hallways, so quite wide.
But here are the doors to the here's one. So this is Studio A. This will be Studio A.
Okay.
So the ceilings are fabulous.
That is fun.
And then there's a grid which will attach to those are the plugs. And then this is the position of the wall between the two studios. So you can see how big these rooms are. And there's also a door in this, like in the old between Studio A.
This is which?
Studio B.
Okay.
And the mural, which as we can see is still not covered,
Right.
it gets a big curtain,
Right.
which will then go behind the wing wall. There's wing walls like in the old, or it can open up. So, but I mean, these two rooms should be just so glorious. But now we're in the hallway. Okay, that's good. Should we go down? So, but you know Deb, the designer, who's here from Providence, Rhode Island. And those guys are the team from the construction company, the architect and the project manager.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the elevator, which that guy cut a hole in the side and shimmied his way into the elevator to find out what was going on to get it to work. Okay, let's go down. We walk in and we've got a new door here out of the new header. Oh my God.
Split it in.
Yeah.
Not a starting thing.
Yeah. But we are clear about all the colors here. We're going to take this back to the concrete to have concrete steps and concrete floor in the industrial.
And the colors on the wall.
We've got, today we're doing color demonstration. And this door is now gone. And now we're into another like student area. That's the other entrance. And this is the amazing electric closet, which this guy has gotten about 500 things to do, including up there, your fire panel electric. It's like a great thing.
It's going to be awesome.
And there are step ladders and tables. You know our ladders and tables.
Right.
And this is the gender-free bathroom. So, handicap and gender-free stalls. And there's a long counter here that's as long as this whole wall for makeup and a big sink.
And then
Handicap.
Cozy.
So they will have full doors so that
okay. All into stalls.
there are 3 stalls. So 3 it'll be very
Yeah.
solid.
3
And 3 in the end anyway.
And then, okay,
this side.
getting through. There's a teacher's lounge and administrative office. So that's
Administrative officer, all open the door.
Joe Jordana and the teachers, and there's a lot of like kitchens and stuff in there. Yeah. And two more studios, C and D.
Okay.
So you can see the wing walls here. Because there were columns there, then we had to adjust to make the wing walls bigger,
Right.
to make it work because of the general conditions. We've got big doors for the furniture, we've got the entrances just like the hotel.
Right. Where's the jacuzzi?
The jacuzzi is gone.
Ah.
It is gone. Yeah. But the vision was to get as much room as we can in four studios and two offices.
And clearly that you know you have different needs for different kinds of classes. So upstairs we certainly wanted to take advantage of the height and also the scale of it. So if it's really tall and small, it doesn't work so well. But we knew that the ceilings would be a little lower down here. So we're also exposing the ceilings so that we don't lose any height.
But of course, we really wish that it was bigger. But we've got 6,000 square feet in the place. And, you know, the hallways have to be used because of the furniture. There's all.
This is our basic idea board. In some ways it informed the color of everything, but it also informed, you know, we're doing a door very similar to this, so it was like kind of the right connection to what the conservatory is all about. So then we're sort of developing color for the building, a kind of palette for the materials that we're using, and this is flooring and carpet for the thing. So it's so that it's all very tight palette.
It's not as bad.
And that's what I like.
Right.